On November 22nd, 1963, this aircraft, SAM-2 6000, was involved in one of the most infamous moments in American history.
From Dallas, Texas, the flash, apparently official, President Kennedy died at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time.
This aircraft became historic for not only flying presidents from Kennedy to Clinton and being the first aircraft to have the iconic paint scheme, but holding the swearing in of LBJ and carrying the body of President Kennedy back to Washington, D.C. Today, I'm going to quickly show you where those things took place on board. Coming on board, you will notice that the aircraft probably does not scream 1960s. It stayed in service until 1998, serving as backup since 1972. As we continue until about midway, we come to this area. This is where LBJ was sworn in. Continuing to the back, this is where JFK's coffin was placed on the flight back to DC. Crews had to remove the partition and the first 4 seats to make room. Follow or subscribe for more.